Pating Reviews presents GE AHQ06LZ Window Air Conditioner. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get the best possible price. Brand new, works perfect. I was nervous because the previous pictures made me think this AC was scratched and dented. However, it arrived in perfect brand new condition. It is easy to install. Assembly was only 3 screws to put on the top rail, which prevents it from falling out of the window. It's not noisy. It cools my 200 square foot room in 5 minutes. 6,000 BTU is perfect. It was less expensive than others. Overall, I would highly recommend that you purchase this air conditioning unit. Here's a few more details about this air conditioner. 6,000 BTU air conditioner for window mounted installation. Uses standard 115 volt electrical outlet. Quickly cools the room up to 250 feet with dehumidification up to 1.6 pints per hour. Digital controls, 3 cool speeds, 3 fan speeds, and 2-way air direction. Easy installation, fits windows 21 and 7/8 of an inch by 36 inch wide. Minimum height is 13 and 3/8 of an inch. High energy efficient ratio 11. High energy efficiency ratio 11. Energy saver mode available. Easy to clean. Air filter included. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.